We're going to be looking at the creation of a document within Document Manager. We're going to start by selecting a Document Manager from the application bar. And by going to My Library, we have an option to create a new document. Clicking here will open up a document editor where we see a number of standard functions and features for the creation and formatting of your document. Let's start by pasting in some text, and we'll highlight some of that text to modify it. First by changing the font, changing the font size, and then we can do a few things like setting colors of the text through to your standard changing to bold, italicized, and underlined. Other features are available, such as the creation of a table. So we'll click on the table icon, and here you have a table property where you can select the number of columns, rows, and other properties. And finally, I'll just add in an image to my document, so selecting the image icon. And here we can either go to URL or browse my local file system, select the file that I wish to add. And once in, then we can also modify options such as the size. Once the document's complete, you can then save your document, starting with adding a title. And then optionally, you can also add a description to your document. There's also a feature for enabling revisions. This will store a history of any previous versions. And we can then select Save. Finally, we can then finish our editing and unlock it to allow others, when we share it, to be able to edit this document. And then viewing the details, then it gives us options around sharing, changing ownership, or changing the status from being a draft document up to being an active document. Now that this document's completed, it will be stored within my library. So we'll just go back to my list of files and select Drafts, and we'll see that file now listed. Now, there's two options for my files here. For files previously uploaded, I can now download those for viewing or editing. But as this was created within the built-in document editor, I have the options to be able to view and do further editing to this file.